Hello kids. Today we will learn all the shapes. Okay. Okay. Which shape is this, kids? No. No. Yes. This is star. This is star. No. No. Yes. This is circle. This is circle. No. No. Yes. This is oval. This is oval. Okay. No. 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 Yes. This is pentagon. This is pentagon. No. No. Yes. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. Okay. No. No. Yes. This is square. This is square. No. Yes. This is pie. This is pie. No. Yes. This is trapezoid. This is trapezoid. No. Yes. This is hexagon. This is hexagon. No. No. Yes. Which shape is this, kids? It's quadrifoil. It's quadrifoil. Okay. No. Yes. This is semicircle. This is semicircle. Okay. Oh, yes. This is octagon. This is octagon. No. No. Yes. This is rhombus. This is rhombus. Okay. Oh, this is heart shape. This is heart shape. Which shape is this, kids? It's cross. It's cross. And at last, we have here triangle. We have here triangle. Okay. Now, we will repeat all these shapes. Okay. Okay. This is rectangle. This is triangle. This is rectangle, cross, square, heart, rhombus, oval, pie, semicircle, octagon, hexagon, trapezoid, star, quadrifoil, circle, and pentagon. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye, kids.